Hi, it's Bryan from Shine, and welcome to another video about Palm Springs and the communities that you may want to live in. So today we're going to look at El Rancho Vista Estates, and it's a community on the north side. Homes were built in the late 50s, early 60s, Wexler design homes, and I believe there's about 75 homes there. Cross streets are Gene Autry and this is Chino. So conveniently located on the north side of Palm Springs, and let's take a look at the various types of homes that are available, and then we're going to take a look at one in particular that's on the market right now. So I hope you'll love this, and if you have any questions, please send your questions to me. You can call, text, or email me. So let's take a look. I love the features of these homes. They're really amazing with their architectural roof lines and accent colors. And through the years, people have reinterpreted them in the way that they want to. So it's just amazing to go through the neighborhood and see the different styles of homes, but at the same time, they're very cohesive for the neighborhood. And different materials were also being experimented with in the early 60s for housing. And these just are incredible modern looking homes. Iconic mid-century style. It's been, the brick has been painted blue, and the doors accented blue as well. This has been re-landscaped and lots of improvements made on this property. As you can see, there are plenty on the street with the same design or similar design. I'm going to walk into the home. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's just around 1,400 square feet. You have a nice patio area in the front of the house. And then we're going to look at the kitchen there. These were weekend homes originally, so they're not super large, but many people now are living in Palm Springs full time. So the trend has been more for full-time or secondary homes. This is the living room here, which has beautiful views of the pool. It's very private. It's all painted white, so you get a lot of reflection, which is very amazing. So take a quick look just right out here, but we will go out there. Isn't that gorgeous? Continuing down the hallway, I like all the artwork, and it's very mid-century the way it's been decorated as well. So this is the guest bathroom with a walk-in shower, skylight above. Here is the first guest bedroom. This has a closet here. You got beautiful. Continuing on, we're going into the second guest bedroom. Very nicely appointed. Love that ottoman. And this has a little patio area here. And love the ficus hedge, just so private. There's beautiful mountain views from this bedroom, and there are fruit trees as well in the backyard. Very nice. And then you have the primary bedroom, which is a really nice size for a house that's 1,400 square feet. You have storage here, you have closet space, and they also incorporated frosted doors throughout the house. The floor has this beautiful ceramic tile in a gray color, and you have access to the pool area as well from the bedroom. That's really nice from the primary. And then it makes it very nice to have this bathroom, which is the primary bathroom, but access to the outside. So we're gonna go outside to the backyard, which is beautiful. The pool has mosaic tile, and it's a plaster pool, and it's just absolutely gorgeous back here. You have peekaboo mountain views, love the yellow accents, and it's extremely private. You have a nice ficus hedge all the way around. You have a grill out here as well. Plenty of room for entertaining. Fire pit for the winter time. Love that. Or email me. Love to hear from you and your questions as well. And this could be a great area if you want mid-century. So I look forward to hearing from you guys out there, and I will have a video coming up next on another reason why you should live in Palm Springs, because it's such a fabulous place to live. So until then, goodbye.